Are you guys ready for an awesome video?
Why are we're squatting now?
Yeah,
we have no idea.
Okay,
we didn't go to
clothesline rings today.
We didn't go to the gym today, so we're kind of antsy. We don't actually know what we're gonna do today. We've got this bike behind us, the Suzuki. We've got plans, and we need to work on this thing. We have this Datsun 620. It's a dope truck. It's gonna get better in the future. We're not working on that today, but we also are trying to figure out what we're gonna do today. I'm just focusing the camera. This thing has been the focus, so we may go back to that, but we don't know. We also have this thing right here, the ever so amazing Green Goon 510. It's kind of iconic. You might have seen it before. It is not mine, but it's my father's, which is damn near as cool, right? We have drift rides. We have cool shit on the wall we can work on. We need to repaint that thing down the road. But we don't know what to do today, so we're gonna rock, paper, scissors and make a decision. Having any luck, man?
Kind of.
Until this thing warms up, it seems like the carbs behave kind of strange.
Well, we don't have a choke on, period, so...
Yeah, that definitely doesn't help. Want to pull it forward a bit so it's not like asphyxiating us?
Yeah. That sounds good.
So it looks like we're working on the 850 today. What do we need to get done on it, Chris?
Well, for one thing, is this tape needs to come off.
Yeah, ignore the fact that the battery is mounted with Gorilla Tape, but if you don't want to ignore that, just be grateful it's Gorilla Tape instead of duct tape. But yeah, battery's mounted in with Gorilla Tape. It's been holding in just fine for, you know, what little riding we've done with it. We've got this nice little crack in the frame right, let's see if I can get a shot of it, right here. Let's see. Dude. Yeah, and this crack goes all the way through. It's only held together by a little bit up here on the top that isn't cracked. So we're going to have to weld that up. And then the rear of the frame has been totally cut off to make it kind of stubby. And it looks terrible, and it needs to be redone. So we're going to work on that as well. Get some welding in, you know? It's always fun.
What do you have here, Miles?
What we're doing is we're building a place for all the electronics to sit. They will be hidden in a little compartment that'll be masked off in here. And that way the electronics can look nice and pretty and we don't have to worry about them making the bike look ugly. Because, you know, we'll have none of that ugliness.
Basically, it won't be a mess anymore, guys.
Like this. This is a mess and it's unacceptable. So we're going to keep it a mess, we're just going to hide the mess. Trick will be shoving all the wiring in there.
If you have the willpower, you will succeed.
There's a will, there's a way.